Spending just 5 seconds watching a video, you can earn up to $2. With hundreds of videos available, this offers a simple and easy way to earn money online. People from all over the world, whether from India, the Philippines, Bangladesh, Nigeria, or Vietnam, are making thousands of dollars simply by watching YouTube videos. Today, I will introduce you to 3 websites, starting with the one that pays the least and ending with the one that offers the highest payouts. Make sure to like this video and let's get started. The first website. The first platform on our list has the lowest payouts. However, I'll show you a special trick to earn up to 10 times more for watching the same video. For example, if you initially earn 20 cents for watching a video, this trick could help you make $2 for that same video. On this site, you'll find various tasks such as app testing, mobile application jobs, social media tasks, surveys, and more. Most of these tasks take only 3 to 5 minutes to complete. But since our focus is earning money by watching YouTube videos, select the category for video or music sharing platforms. Once you do this, only YouTube-related tasks will appear. You can then pick any task, but it's best to choose the ones that pay the most. To find the highest paying tasks, simply click on the Most Paying filter at the top of the Jobs section. This will arrange the jobs so that the highest paying ones appear first. Another important factor to consider is the TTF, Time to Finish column, which indicates how long you need to watch a video. Make sure to choose tasks where you earn more for shorter durations. This will maximize your earnings and allow you to complete more tasks within a given time frame. To begin, open the task you want to complete. For instance, let's say you decide to watch a specific video to earn money. You'll be taken to a page where you can see how many people have already completed the task out of the total required. This page also shows how much you'll earn and how long the task will take. Additionally, it will mention the maximum number of times a single user can perform this task, for example, once or up to 5 times. If the maximum is more than 1, you can repeat the task multiple times and earn accordingly. Scroll down to see the job requirements, which typically involve searching for a specific keyword on YouTube, finding the corresponding video, and watching it. Once completed, you'll need to upload proof, such as a screenshot of the video. To upload screenshots, you can use free tools like print.sc. Simply upload your screenshot, copy the link generated, and paste it into the required field. After completing the task, you'll receive your payment within the specified time. The name of this platform is Microworkers.com, a site that allows you to earn money by performing simple tasks, including watching videos. Once you reach the $5 withdrawal threshold, you can easily cash out using the available payment methods. The second website. The second platform offers higher payouts than the first. Here, you'll find a large selection of videos to watch and earn money online. Unlike Microworkers, which limits tasks based on your country, this site displays international tasks as well. You can either filter tasks by your country or focus on global opportunities. For future videos, comment below with your country's name so I can create content specifically tailored to users in your region. On this platform, use the Most Paying filter to see the highest paying tasks first. To find YouTube-related tasks, search for YouTube in the job search bar and hit enter. The site will then display relevant opportunities. These tasks usually require watching videos for 3 to 5 minutes and offer decent payouts. Scrolling through the list, you'll see hundreds of available tasks, with payments ranging from 3 cents to $5 per video. Even at an average of $1 per video, you can earn 50 cents per task, which is great since these videos are ones you'd likely watch anyway. To complete a task, open it to view the requirements, payment amount, and expected proof. Often you'll need to submit screenshots as evidence of task completion. Use tools like Snipboard or print.sc to upload these screenshots. The name of this site is rapidworkers.com, another micro-task platform with over 200,000 active users. In addition to video-related tasks, you can complete other jobs to boost your earnings. Payments can be withdrawn via PayPal once your balance reaches $8. the third website. Finally, the third website offers the highest payouts. This platform has helped people worldwide earn thousands of dollars. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. To focus on video tasks, ensure the freelancer category is selected. Then hover over the Microjobs tab and click on Find Jobs. On the job page, filter tasks by selecting the Video Marketing category. This will display all available video-related tasks. For instance, this site offers $2 for watching a 5-second video. Additionally, if you subscribe to the video's channel, you can earn $3. These tasks are open to users globally and don't require any prior experience. To complete a task, read the requirements carefully and follow the listed steps. You'll also need to submit proofs, such as screenshots or text responses as instructed. Payments are processed within a day. The name of this platform is sproutgigs, formerly known as picoworkers. Although video tasks may be limited, new ones are added daily. Bonus strategy to maximize earnings. Create 10 email IDs and use them to register 10 accounts on each platform: Microworkers, rapidworkers, and sproutgigs. This way, you can complete the same task across all accounts simultaneously in different tabs. Open multiple tasks in separate tabs to work on several video jobs at once. This allows you to earn more money in the same amount of time. By following these tips and using these platforms, you can turn watching YouTube videos into a steady source of income.